that will be a quarter. It costs a quarter. Do you have a quarter? This just means 25 cents. 75 cents. We could also say 75 cents as 3/4. I only have 3/4. I only have 75 cents. $25, we could say $25 or 25 bucks. Remember, bucks and dollars we can use interchangeably, so you can use one or the other, depending on how you feel. 25 bucks, $25. $1,250. So now it's getting a little bit more complicated. $1,250 or bucks. And last, $1,250.99. Now even more complicated. $1,250.99. If you're dealing with large amounts of money that are above $100 and are combined with cents, it's common to say $170.80. So the higher the value gets, the more likely you'll say the whole thing. It's with the smaller amounts that we shorten it to be quick, and they're small amounts, so it's not as important. When you get to the higher amounts, people want to be more precise. So that's generally how it works. So when you're ready to pay for an item at the checkout line, your cashier will tell you your total, and this is how it can go. So for instance, the cashier might say, your total is $45.50. How would you like to pay? Or they might say, your total is $45.50. How would you like to pay? So remember, $45.50, $45.50, same thing. You respond by saying cash. Or if you're using a credit card or a debit card, this is how it would go. They will generally hand over a machine where you will either swipe, tap, or insert your card. Swiping your card means that you sweep the card or swipe the card across the machine through a tiny slot that reads the magnetic strip on it. So you swipe. Inserting means that you put the card into the machine with the chip side up through a tiny slot. And tapping just means you tap your card on the top. So it depends on what technology the store has, and they might tell you you can't tap, you can't swipe, or you have to swipe, etc. When you insert your card, the machine will generally ask you to verify $45.50. This is a way of checking with you before you buy the item. Press OK if you want to pay. Press cancel if you don't want to pay or if the amount is incorrect. If you're paying with a debit card, the next thing you might see are the letters CHEQ, which stands for checking, or SAV, which stands for saving. So remember what we went over earlier. You have a checking account and a savings account that are linked to your debit card. So you have to choose where would you like the money to come out of, checking or savings. Then you have to enter a PIN, a personal identification number, a PIN. So this is your, it's 4 digits, it could be up to 6 digits or more. You should know this, you have to enter it, press OK in order to make the purchase. While the purchase is processing, while the transaction is processing, usually the machine will say do not remove. So do not remove, don't take your card out. If you entered everything correctly, you will see transaction complete. Transaction complete, meaning that it was successful and you're done making your purchase. Then you can remove the card. If the payment was not complete, the machine will say transaction incomplete or incomplete transaction. Please try again. It could be because you entered the wrong PIN, or you chose the wrong account, or something, a technical problem, something like that. If it says insufficient funds, you don't have enough money in your bank account. So we have either transaction complete, transaction incomplete, or incomplete transaction, or insufficient funds. So remember those phrases.